Hey, can you see me? Here I am, Jabernicky here. I thought it was time to introduce you to the rest of the Stump Squad. I'll introduce them in just a second. I gotta get this other thing that fell, the net right there. I gotta get it. Wait! Here they are. This is Hank. He's a little bit crazy, and he's always following me around. But he's a pretty good guy. This is Colbalt. Him and his family fly in every once in a while. They're very nice. This is Robert. He only comes through at nighttime. He makes sure everything is secure around the perimeter. Next up's Oscar. Oscar's just Oscar. He's always just kind of walking around and seeing how things are and seeing what he can see. Look careful. You might miss him. This is Haas. Haas is on ground patrol tonight. This is Daphne. She lives nearby. Her and her brother Donald walk around often. This is Miss Shirley Bandit. She tries to keep us all safe and scavenges around and try to find things that we all need. Here's Donald. He's the brother of Daphne. Donald just likes to walk around and just inspect things and do all kinds of neat things. Every once in a while he gets a little scared though. Boo! How about some snapshots? It's just hanging around the stump. Hey, if you'd like to see more of Jabernicky and his friends, don't forget to hit that subscribe and follow button before you leave!